Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business posture correction using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a business portrait image. I pause here because posture silently communicates confidence. I duplicate the layer first so my original stays safe. I convert the layer into a smart object. I go to Edit and select Puppet Warp. I stop for a second and think. This tool needs patience. I place pins carefully on shoulders, arms, and torso. I gently rotate the shoulder pin, very slowly. Business portraits should feel natural, not artificial.